Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I have to tell you something because we're in the period of Carnival. And today we're going to be making a dessert which is mostly eaten in this time of period, which is called Zeppole. And my grandma gave me the recipe, which is the original from Sardinia. Now, the first ingredient is 1 kilo of flour 00, 100 grams of sugar, 7 grams of dried yeast, some vanilla flavoring, 1 orange, the peel and juice, 1 little cup of brandy, cognac, gin and grappa, you can choose any that you like, 100 grams of lard, 4 eggs and a half liter of milk. Now we have to get the sugar and the 4 eggs and we have to put it in. Get a hand mixer and then start mixing until the mixture becomes foamy and clear. This is very foamy and clear, as you can see. Then I can add the juice of the orange in. I can add the peel. And I can add 1 spoonful of vanilla flavoring. Now I can start mixing with a wooden spoon. We switch on the heat and then we let the lard melt. It has melted, so we can put it in. And we can add the cup of brandy or whatever you have chosen. And start mixing. We put the milk into a pan and we let it heat up until it's warm. Now that the milk is warm, we can put it in. And we can put in the dried yeast. And start mixing. Now get half of the flour that you have and put it in. Half. Then start mixing. Now you have to start putting the other half of the flour in very slowly. Mixing very hardly for about 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes of mixing very well, you can start using your hands and start mixing until the bottom of it and the whole mixture can be lifted up from the bottom and it's not sticky anymore. Or you can use a kneader. It's quicker to work with. And as you can see, it was easy to lift it up. Now we put something on top of it and we leave it to rest for about 3 hours. As you can see, we have finished mixing. So now you have to have wet hands, and you have to you have to get a bowl. You have to make a bowl, kind of the shape of a mandarin, as big as a mandarin. Then you can put a bit of flour at the bottom. And you make a hole in the middle. It should turn out like this. The oil, you can get a pan and you can put the oil in, and the oil has to be very, very, very hot. Then you can get one of them and you can put it in. And you can leave it to cook on one side for 2 minutes, and then you can turn it around after 2 minutes, and you can cook on the other side for another 2 minutes. I can take it out. And leave them to cool down. They have dried from the oil. We can put them in the sugar. And then on the other side. Very well. We have finally finished our wonderful recipe. I really hope you enjoy them. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!